When you see how quick and easy it is to make your own apple butter, you'll never buy it again. People normally spend hours simmering it on the stove, but I'm going to show you how to make this delicious apple butter in just half an hour, all while making your entire house smell amazing. First, let's talk apples. Just about any apple will work, but if you want a balanced flavor, go for a mix of sweet and tart. Macintosh, Honeycrisp, or Galas will break down easily and add sweetness, while Granny Smiths will add a bright, slightly tangy punch to balance it out. If you only want to use one kind of apple, you can't go wrong with Honeycrisp. You don't need to peel your apples. It's actually better if you leave the peels on because they add natural pectin to help thicken the butter and they deepen the flavor and color. Just quarter, core, and chop and you're good to go, or you can use a handheld corer to make it go faster. Drop the apple chunks into the Instant Pot, then add some apple cider, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, and stir it all together. Close the lid and set the valve to sealing. Pressure cook on high for 20 minutes and carefully quick release the steam when it's done. You can just use an immersion blender to smooth it out, but if you prefer it to be perfectly smooth, just transfer it to a blender. Either way, you'll want to simmer it in the Instant Pot on sauté mode for around 10 to 15 minutes. This boils off the extra moisture to thicken the apple butter, caramelize sugars, and concentrate its flavor. It'll keep thickening as it cools down in the fridge. Finish it off with a splash of vanilla extract to round out the flavors. It's so thick and glossy and smells amazing. It's absolutely perfect on toast, or you can just eat it by the spoonful, no judgment here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and for more pantry staples that are way better than store-bought, check out this playlist next.